Lecture 8, Part 7, Application of Rules of International Law in France and Practices of France. Customary rules of international law are considered as part of French state law. On the other hand, treaties are applied and administered by the French court. Russian practices regarding application of international law, customary rules and treaties are part of the law of land. There is difference between French practices and Russian practices. In French, customary rules of international law are considered only as part of French state law, whereas treaties are applied by the French court. On the other hand, in Russia, customary rules and treaties both are part of the law of land. In case of conflict between international law and Soviet federal statute, the former shall prevail. In easy words, that if there would be any conflict between the international law and Soviet federal law, then the international law shall prevail. And in conflict between treaty and the provisions of Soviet constitution, the latter shall prevail. Meaning thereby, if there is any conflict or difference between the treaty and the constitution of Soviet Federation, then the constitution would prevail and the treaty would not be applied by the courts. The importance of international law, customary rules of international law and treaties is so important, and all the countries pay due regard to them. And in this vlog, as we discussed, that the French practices and Russian practices, both the countries have given due regard to the international customary rules as well as treaties. Thank you very much.